Hello, welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Angel. I am a licensed professional teacher. I've been teaching English in DepEd for 10 years, plus 6 years in private schools, and an additional 6 months in an ESL platform. A total of 16.6 years of teaching experience in guiding students of all ages in their journey to mastering the language. In my classes, I use various interactive activities to create an immersive, fun, and engaging learning environment. I am excited to help you achieve your English language goals. Let's start this language learning journey together. I am looking forward to meet you in my class. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.